Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The next topic is solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. In the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If a is not equal to 1, then divide both the sides by a. Now the second step is transpose the constant term to the right hand side. Then find the suitable square term, that is third term, which makes the expression on the left hand side a perfect square. Now we get third term is equal to 1 upon 2 into b whole square. Add third term to both the sides of the equation. Then find the square root of both the sides and find the roots of the equation. Now let us see how to solve practice set 2.3. First question. Solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square method. Now the first equation given here is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. In this equation, the coefficient of x square means a is equal to 1. Therefore, next step is transpose the constant term to right hand side. We get here x square plus x is equal to 20. Now we make left hand side a perfect square by adding third term. Therefore, find out third term is equal to 1 upon 2 into b, coefficient of x whole square. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into b. Now the value of b is 1. 1 upon 2 whole square. We get 1 upon 4. Now, next step is adding 1 upon 4 to both sides of equation. We get here. Now x square plus x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 20 plus 1 upon 4. Now look at the left hand side carefully. It is an expansion form of some formula. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now it is the rough work. Now here first term, middle term and third term. Now the first term here is x, and take the sign of the middle term plus, and take the square root of third term, means 1 upon 2 whole square. Now solve it by using the formula. A square means x square plus 2ab means 2 into x into 1 upon 2 plus b square, which is equal to 1 upon 2 whole square. Now 2 ones are cancel. We get here x square plus x plus 1 upon 2 whole square means 1 upon 4. Now the expansion form of x plus 1 upon 2 whole square is equal to x square plus x plus 1 upon 4. Therefore, we get the same here. Now we can convert it into a plus b whole square. X plus 1 upon 2 whole square is equal to. Now solve the right hand side, taking LCM 4, cross multiply 80 plus 1, which is equal to 81 upon 4. Therefore, we get here x plus 1 upon 2 whole square is equal to 81 upon 4. Now taking square root both sides. Taking square root. Now square root of left hand side x plus 1 upon 2 whole square is equal to square root of 81 upon 4. Solve it. Now square and square root both are cancelled. We get x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to plus minus. Now square root of 81 9 and square root of 4 means 2. Now we get here two values. Therefore it can be written as x is equal to plus 1 upon 2, shifting to the right hand side we get 1 upon 2 plus minus 9 upon 2. Now x is equal to, both the fraction numbers contain the same denominator 2 and add the numerator minus 1 plus minus 9. Therefore value of x is equal to minus 1 plus 9 upon 2 first value, and the second one is x is equal to minus 1 minus 9 upon 2. Now solve it. Minus 1 plus 9 means 8, 8 upon 2, 8 upon 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Therefore we get value of x is equal to 4. And second one, minus 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 10 upon 2, 2 5s are 10 means minus 5. Therefore value of x is equal to minus 5. Now write down the answer here. 4 and minus 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now look at the second example. Second question is x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. In this equation also a is equal to 1. Therefore transpose the constant number to right hand side. We get the equation x square plus 2x is equal to 5. We make left hand side a perfect square by using third term. Therefore third term, we get third term is equal to 1 upon 2 into b whole square, means 1 upon 2 into b means coefficient of x, which is equal to 2. Now 2 ones are cancel, whole square. We get here 1 square, which is equal to 1. Now adding 1 to both sides of equation. We get x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. Now solve it. Now again it is an expansion form of a plus b whole square. Therefore first write down term x, then sign of the middle term plus, and the square root of 1 means 1 whole square is equal to 6. Now taking square root on both sides, we get x plus 1 whole square is equal to square root of 6. Now square and square root both are cancelled here. We get x plus 1 is equal to plus minus root 6. Therefore the value of x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 6. Therefore first root x is equal to minus 1 plus root 6, and the second one x is equal to minus 1 minus root 6. Therefore write down the answer. -1 plus root 6 and -1 minus root 6 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now, next question is third. M square minus 5m is equal to -3. Now, in this question, the coefficient of m square is 1 and the terms of the variables are left hand side and the constant number at right hand side. Therefore, we make left hand side a perfect square by using third term. Now, third term is equal to 1 upon 2 into b whole square 1 upon 2. Now b is coefficient of m, which is -5 whole square. Therefore we get here 25 upon 4. Now next step is adding 25 upon 4 to both sides of equation. Therefore, m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4 is equal to -3 plus 25 upon 4. Now, look at the left hand side carefully. First term m, take the sign of the middle term minus and take the square root of 25 upon 4, which is equal to 5 upon 2 whole square is equal to, now solve it, take the LCM for cross multiply, -12 plus 25. Now we get here m minus 5 upon 2 whole square is equal to -12 plus 25, 13 upon 4. Now taking square root on both sides. We get here square root of m minus 5 upon 2 whole square is equal to square root of 13 upon 4. Now square and square root both are cancelled. We get here m minus 5 upon 2, which is equal to plus minus. Now square root of 13, 13 is not a perfect square. Write down in square root upon 4. 4 means 2. Now minus 5 upon 2 shifting to the right hand side, we get 5 upon 2 plus minus root 13 upon 2. It can be written as m is equal to 5 plus minus root 13 upon 2. Now we get the value of m is equal to 5 plus root 13 upon 2 and m is equal to 5 minus root 13 upon 2. Therefore, write down the answer. 5 plus root 13 upon 2 and 5 minus root 13 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now look at next question. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of y square is not equal to 1, means a is not equal to 1. Therefore, dividing the equation by 9, we get here y square minus 12 upon 9y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Now cancel it. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Therefore, y square minus 4 upon 3y. Now transpose the constant term to right hand side, minus 2 upon 9. Now we make left hand side a perfect square by using third term. Therefore, third term is equal to 1 upon 2 into b whole square is equal to 1 upon 2 into b. B means coefficient of y, which is equal to minus 4 upon 3 whole square is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now we get here minus 2 upon 3 whole square, which is equal to 4 upon 9. Now next step is adding third term, means here third term is 4 upon 9 to both sides of equation. Therefore, we get y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9 is equal to minus 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. Now, it is an expansion form of, now the middle term is minus, therefore we can write here first term y, sign of the middle term minus, and square root of 4 upon 9 means 2 upon 3 whole square is equal to, now add this, take LCM, 9 minus 2 plus 4, we get here y minus 2 upon 3 whole square is equal to minus 2 plus 4 means 2 upon 9. Now taking square root on both sides, we get here y minus 2 upon 3 whole square is equal to square root of 2 upon 9. Therefore, we get square and square root both are cancelled. Therefore, y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to, now square root of 2 upon 9 means plus minus square root of 2 upon 3. It can be written as y is equal to minus 2 upon 3 shifting to the right hand side. We get 2 upon 3 plus minus root 2 upon 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 2 upon 3. Now we get the value of y is equal to 2 plus root 2 upon 3 and y is equal to 2 minus root 2 upon 3. Write down the answer here. Therefore, 2 plus root 2 upon 3 and 2 minus root 2 upon 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Next question is y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now look at the coefficient of y square, which is equal to 2. Here a is not equal to 1. Therefore, dividing the equation by 2. Dividing the equation by 2. We get here y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 10 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y square plus, now here 2 ones are 2 5s are, y square plus 9 upon 2y, and transpose the constant term to right hand side. We get minus 5 here. Now, we make left hand side a perfect square by using third term. Therefore, third term is equal to 1 upon 2 into b whole square is equal to 1 upon 2 into b. B means coefficient of y, means 9 upon 2 whole square. Therefore, 9 upon 4 whole square, we get here 81 upon 16. Next step is adding 81 upon 16 to both sides of equation. Therefore, we get y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16 is equal to minus 5 plus 81 upon 16. Now solve it. Now here first term is y square. We write here y. Take the sign of the middle term plus then square root of the third term, means 9 upon 4 whole square is equal to, take the LCM 16, cross multiply here, minus 80 plus 81. Now we get here y plus 9 upon 4 whole square is equal to minus 80 plus 80 means 1 upon 16. Now taking square root, we get here y plus 9 upon 4 whole square is equal to square root of 1 upon 16. Solve it. Now square and square root both are cancelled. We get y plus 9 upon 4 is equal to, now square root of 1 upon 16 means plus minus 1 upon 4. Now shifting plus 9 upon 4 to right hand side, we get y is equal to minus 9 upon 4 plus minus 1 upon 4. It can be written as y is equal to minus 9 plus minus 1 upon 4. Now we get the value of y is equal to minus 9 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to minus 8 upon 4 means minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. And second one, y is equal to minus 9 minus 1 upon 4. We get minus 10 upon 4. 2 2s are 2, 5s are 10. Therefore, we get minus 5 upon 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Now, write down the answer here. Therefore, minus 2 and minus 5 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now, look at next question. 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. Now, in this question, the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. Therefore, dividing the equation by 5. We get here x square is equal to 4 upon 5x plus 7 upon 5. Now shifting the terms of the variable at left hand side, therefore x square minus 4 upon 5x is equal to 7 upon 5. Now we make left hand side a perfect square by adding third term, therefore we get third term is equal to 1 upon 2 into b whole square, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into b. b means coefficient of x. Now here coefficient of x is equal to minus 4 upon 5 whole square. 2 ones are 2 2s are, therefore we get here minus 2 upon 5 whole square, which is equal to 4 upon 25. Therefore next step is adding 4 upon 25 to both sides of equation. Now we get here x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 is equal to 7 upon 5 plus 4 upon 25. Now take the first term x, sign of the second term minus n square root of the third term, means 2 upon 5 whole square is equal to, now solve it, take the LCM here 25, now 7 into 5 35 plus 4, we get here x minus 2 upon 5 whole square is equal to 39 upon 25. Now taking square root, square root of x minus 2 upon 5 whole square is equal to square root of 39 upon 25. We get here, now square and square root both are cancelled. X minus 2 upon 5 is equal to square root of 39 plus minus square root of 39 upon square root of 25, which is equal to 5. Shifting minus 2 upon 5 to right hand side, we get x is equal to 2 upon 5 plus minus square root of 39 upon 5. Now it can be written as x is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 39 upon 5. Therefore we get the value x is equal to 2 plus square root of 39 upon 5 first, and second value x is equal to 2 minus square root of 39 upon 5. Therefore write down the answer here, 2 plus square root of 39 upon 5 and 2 minus square root of 39 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Allah Hafiz.